Hey guys, so a package just came in from Best Buy, and it turns out it's my gaming keyboard. And I got this for, I think it was $30, and it's from Real Internet Idea, and it's a mixed color LED backlit gaming keyboard. So let's open this thing up. Along with that, I got this little package here, and I think it's a mouse, but let's find out too. And now for the mouse. Now since everything's unboxed, let's plug this into my computer and let's try this thing out. Now for the mouse. Okay, now since everything's plugged in, let's turn on my laptop and see how this thing works. Okay, so I've plugged everything in, and my first impression is that these LEDs are amazing. Look at this. Okay, so the transition of color is really nice, and it's really precise, and the colors look absolutely magnificent. And also the keyboard, the keys have such a good and satisfying sound to it, and it feels good when you press them in. And it has the logo right over here. I recommend this keyboard to anyone who's a beginner in gaming or who just wants to buy a cheap keyboard. They have to buy this keyboard. This is an amazing keyboard, and I think you should buy it. It has all the keys necessary, and it looks good on your desk if you have a desk like mine. And to the mouse is the same mouse I had previously, and there's nothing different to the mouse, but I like this mouse a lot. It's the hemzone Gamestart mouse. I'll leave the link to it down in the description if you want to buy it. This keyboard and mouse are extremely cheap, and they're really good for beginner gamers. So let's see what's on the box. It says multimedia key description, FN plus F1 music, FN plus F2 equals volume down, FN plus F3 is volume up, then FN plus F4 is mute, FN plus F5 is pause, and a lot of other things. And the box is really nice. It's sleek. And here are the specifications. Size is 435 to 137 and 30 millimeters. Okay, so if you want to see the specs, just pause the video and look at this. And here's a note saying here are the specs, and here are the system requirements. And yeah, here it is. This is the user manual, and it came with a thank you card of buying this keyboard. The mouse's box was nothing too special. It came with this piece of paper, like the specs and everything. And yeah. If you like this video of me unboxing this keyboard, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So this is the keys noises. It's really satisfying. The space key has a different sound from all of them. I really like this keyboard. I'm gonna have this keyboard for a long time. This is like oh no, I'm stranded in an island. Are you kidding me? Let's swim. Look at that fishy. Let's hurt the squid over here. Hey, hey, you better stop that. I'm gonna kill you. There you go. Why am I losing health? Where am I supposed to go?